Picture this. You drive your Hyundai into the service center for a routine oil change. You're expecting to pay maybe $60, $70, walk out in an hour, and get on with your day. Instead, a service advisor walks out with a clipboard, a concerned look on their face, and a list of things your car supposedly needs right now. By the time you leave, you have spent $400, and half of what they charged you for was either unnecessary, overpriced, or something you could have handled yourself for almost nothing. This happens every single day to Hyundai owners across the country. And the reason it keeps working is not because Hyundai owners are naive. It is because the people running these service departments are trained professionals who know exactly how to present information in a way that makes you feel like saying no is a risk you cannot afford to take. They know the words that create urgency. They know the services that sound technical enough to justify almost any price. And they know that most people sitting in that waiting room do not have the knowledge to push back. That ends today. We are going through 7 of the most common and costly service center scams that Hyundai owners fall for. Not just what they are, but why they work, how to spot them in real time, and exactly what to say when they try it on you. This is the information that saves people hundreds of dollars per visit once they have it. Let's get into it. Scam number 1. The unnecessary fuel system. Cleaning they push at every visit. Walk into almost any Hyundai dealership service department, and within the first 10 minutes of checking in, someone will mention your fuel system. They will tell you that your fuel injectors are dirty, that carbon buildup is reducing your engine's efficiency, and that a professional fuel system cleaning service, usually priced somewhere between $150 and $250, will restore your power, improve your fuel economy, and protect your engine long-term. It sounds completely reasonable. It is almost entirely a profit play. Here is the truth. Modern Hyundai engines are designed to run on fuel that already contains detergent additives. Every gallon of gasoline sold at reputable stations in the United States contains federally mandated detergent levels specifically to prevent injector buildup under normal operating conditions. If you are using top-tier certified fuel, which includes brands like Shell, Chevron, BP, and Costco, your injectors are being cleaned with every single tank you fill. A dealership fuel system cleaning service performed on a vehicle with no documented injector issues is almost always money spent on a problem that does not exist. The only time a fuel system cleaning is genuinely warranted is when your vehicle is showing specific symptoms, a rough idle that persists after other causes are ruled out, a noticeable loss of power under load, or a confirmed injector flow test showing restriction. If none of those things are happening, and the service advisor is recommending it at your 50,000 or 75,000 mile visit simply because of mileage, you are looking at an upsell, not a necessity. The correct response is to say you will monitor performance and address it if symptoms develop, then drive away with your money still in your pocket. Scam number 2. The cabin air filter. Markup that is one of the biggest ripoffs in automotive service. This one is so widespread and so brazen that once you know about it, you will genuinely be amazed that it keeps working. Here is how it plays out. The technician pulls your cabin air filter during an inspection, brings it out to show you, holds it up under the fluorescent light so the dust is visible, and the service advisor tells you it needs to be replaced. The replacement cost at the dealership? Anywhere from $60 to $120 depending on the model. The cost of the exact same OEM equivalent filter on Amazon or at any auto parts store? Between $12 and $25. And the labor to install it? Zero. Because it takes literally 2 minutes and requires no tools whatsoever. The cabin air filter on virtually every Hyundai model is located behind the glove box. On most Elantra, Sonata, Tucson, and Santa Fe models, you open the glove box, press in the sides to allow it to drop down past its stops, and the filter housing is right there. You slide out the old filter, slide in the new one, and you are done. The whole process from glove box open to glove box closed is under 3 minutes for anyone doing it for the first time, and under 60 seconds once you have done it once. Experienced Hyundai owners buy a replacement filter for around $15, keep it in the trunk, and when the dealership tells them the cabin filter needs replacing, they smile and say they will take care of it. Or, better yet, they replace it at home before the service visit so there is nothing to upsell. Hyundai recommends replacing it every 15 to 30,000 miles depending on driving conditions. Put it in your calendar, buy it online, do it yourself, and save $90 every single time. Scam number 3. The tire rotation fee. They charge when it should already be included. This scam operates slightly differently from the others because it is less about selling you something you do not need and more about charging you separately for something that should already be part of the service you are paying for. Many Hyundai dealerships advertise oil change packages that sound comprehensive: full synthetic oil, filter, multi-point inspection, the works. What they do not emphasize clearly is that tire rotation is listed as a separate line item, often priced between $25 and $50, added onto the package price at checkout. Here is what experienced Hyundai owners know. If you purchased your vehicle new from a Hyundai dealership, you very likely have complimentary maintenance included for the first 3 years or 36,000 miles through Hyundai's owner loyalty program or through a prepaid maintenance plan that was included in your deal. Tire rotation is almost universally included in these plans. Paying for it separately means you are being charged for something you already own. A significant number of owners pay this fee for years without ever realizing their plan covered it. Even if you are outside any complimentary period, tire rotation is a service that takes technicians approximately 15 minutes and requires equipment every shop already has running. It should never cost more than $20 as a standalone service, and many shops offer it free with an oil change as a standard business practice. If your Hyundai dealership is charging $45 for a tire rotation on top of a full-service oil change, that is a pricing structure designed to extract money from people who are not paying close attention to the invoice. Read every line before you sign. Scam number 4. The engine air filter upsell with the dirty filter show. Very similar in execution to the cabin air filter play, the engine air filter upsell has its own theatrical element that makes it particularly effective. The technician removes your engine air filter, which lives inside the airbox under the hood, and brings it out for you to see. Even a filter that is perfectly functional and has thousands of miles of life left in it will look visibly dirty because filters do exactly what they are designed to do. They catch dirt and debris. A filter doing its job looks dirty. That does not mean it needs to be replaced. The dealership price for an engine air filter replacement typically runs between $40 and $80. The filter itself at an auto parts store costs between $15 and $30 and takes about 90 seconds to swap out. Open the airbox clips, pull the old filter, drop in the new one, close the clips. No tools, no mechanical knowledge required beyond being able to open the hood. The replacement interval Hyundai recommends in the owner's manual is every 15,000 to 30,000 miles under normal conditions, and up to every 12,000 miles in dusty environments. If you are within that interval and you are not driving on unpaved roads regularly, a dirty-looking filter is normal and expected. The visual test, holding it up to light to see if light passes through, is not a reliable indicator of whether a filter needs replacement. The mileage interval is. Know yours, track it yourself, and buy your own filter online for a fraction of the dealer price when the time actually comes. Scam number 5. The coolant flush that gets recommended. Way too early. Coolant flushes are a legitimate maintenance item. They are genuinely necessary at the right interval for the right reason. The scam is not that the service does not exist. It is that service advisors routinely recommend it at intervals dramatically shorter than what Hyundai's own engineering team specifies, turning a service you need every 5 years into one they try to sell you every 2. Hyundai's factory-fill coolant, the blue or pink fluid in your reservoir depending on the model and year, is a long-life formulation rated for 10 years or 100,000 miles under normal conditions. That is not a rumor or an estimate. That is the specification from Hyundai's own maintenance schedule. When a service advisor recommends a coolant flush at 40,000 miles or 3 years into ownership, they are recommending a service years before it is due, at a cost of $100 to $150 for a fluid that still has the majority of its service life remaining. The legitimate time to flush and replace coolant is when you are approaching the mileage or time threshold, when a pressure test reveals contamination, when the coolant shows signs of rust or corrosion, or when the freeze protection level tests outside specification. None of those conditions are diagnosed by looking at a calendar and suggesting it sounds about right. If a Hyundai service advisor recommends a coolant flush and your vehicle is under 70,000 miles with original coolant and no reported cooling system symptoms, ask them to show you the Hyundai maintenance schedule that recommends it at your current mileage. In most cases, they cannot, because it does not say that. Scam number 6. The brake fluid exchange. That preys on fear. Brake fluid is one of those maintenance items that genuinely matters because brake system integrity is directly tied to safety. That is precisely why it is such effective territory for upselling. Nobody wants to say no to a brake-related recommendation and then wonder later if they made the right call. Service advisors know this, and they use it. The pitch usually goes something like this. The technician tests your brake fluid with a strip or a small electronic tester and tells you the moisture content is above the safe threshold. They explain that moisture in the brake fluid lowers its boiling point, can cause vapor lock under hard braking, and compromises the system. They are not wrong about the science. They are frequently wrong about the urgency and the frequency with which they recommend it. Hyundai recommends brake fluid replacement every 2 years or 24,000 miles, regardless of condition in certain markets. But this is a conservative recommendation that accounts for worst-case humidity conditions. In many real-world environments and driving situations, brake fluid remains within safe parameters significantly longer. More importantly, the electronic testers used at some dealerships are calibrated and operated inconsistently, and moisture percentage readings can vary enough between tools to manufacture a recommendation that is not genuinely warranted. What experienced Hyundai owners do is simple. They purchase a pack of brake fluid test strips, available for a few dollars online, and test the fluid themselves before any service visit. If the strip shows the fluid is within acceptable moisture range, that is documented evidence to politely decline the recommendation. If it shows genuine contamination, the service is warranted, and you go in knowing you actually need it, rather than being convinced under pressure. Scam number 7. The MultiPoint inspection that turns into a parts replacement pressure campaign. The MultiPoint inspection is positioned as a complimentary service, a free look at your vehicle that gives you peace of mind about its overall condition. And in theory, a thorough MultiPoint inspection performed honestly is genuinely valuable. In practice, at many Hyundai dealerships, it functions primarily as a structured opportunity to generate additional repair orders by presenting findings in a way designed to maximize anxiety and minimize your ability to make a calm, informed decision. Here is how it typically unfolds. You come in for an oil change. 45 minutes later, the advisor comes out with a printout showing your vehicle's inspection results. Items coded in green for good, yellow for monitor, and red for immediate attention. The red items almost always include something significant. Brake pads at a certain percentage, a belt showing wear, a fluid that needs attention. The way these findings are communicated is carefully designed to feel urgent and non-negotiable. And the quote they hand you is generated right there on the spot, before you have had a single moment to think, research prices, or get a second opinion. What experienced Hyundai owners know is that the MultiPoint inspection is not a court verdict. Every yellow and red item on that sheet is a starting point for your own research, not an instruction to spend money immediately. You take the printout, you say you want to review it before making any decisions, and you leave. You look up the actual replacement intervals in your owner's manual for whatever they flagged. You check the part prices at an auto parts retailer. You get 1 or 2 quotes from independent shops, and then you decide, with information, time, and no one standing over your shoulder creating urgency. The inspection itself is free. The pressure is the product. Do not buy it. The bottom line: 7 scams, and every single one of them relies on the same fundamental advantage. They know more than you do about your car, or at least they assume they do. The moment you close that gap, the entire dynamic changes. You walk into a service center as an informed owner, not a captive customer, and the conversation shifts entirely. You now know that fuel system cleanings are almost never necessary on a modern Hyundai driven on quality fuel. You know that cabin and engine air filters can be replaced at home in minutes for a fraction of the dealer price. You know to read every line of your invoice and question anything that should be covered under a maintenance plan. You know when coolant flushes are actually due according to Hyundai's own schedule. You know how to test your brake fluid before someone tests it for you. And you know that a multi-point inspection report is the beginning of a conversation, not the end of one. This is not about being difficult or distrustful of every technician you encounter. There are honest service advisors and genuinely skilled dealership technicians who will tell you the truth and only recommend what you actually need. But the system they work inside is built around revenue targets, and the services we covered today are the ones that consistently show up on invoices because they are consistently effective at generating profit from people who did not know any better. Now you do. Share this with every Hyundai owner you know. Leave a comment telling us which of these you have already fallen for, because most of us have fallen for at least one. And subscribe if you want to keep getting content that puts the power back in the hands of the driver. See you in the next one.